Alright, good afternoon everybody, it's MrDoTheMath here, and we're going to look at drawing perpendicular lines here, okay? So, in this particular example, it says that line H passes through points 3, 0 and 7, 6, right? And we're going to draw a line that's perpendicular that passes through point 2, so the perpendicular line is going to pass through 2, 5, I believe. Am I right? Is that 2, 5?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is find the slope of the first line. All right. To find the slope of the first line, we need to put it in the slope formula. All right. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1, so it'll be 6 minus 0 over x2 minus x1, which will be 7 minus 3. Right. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 3? 4. This can be simplified, right? Because these are both multiples of 2. They can be simplified to be what?
3 over 2.
3 over 2. So if you drew this line, you'll have 3 over 2 as the slope. Alright? So we have to draw a line that has the perpendicular slope that goes through this point for the perpendicular line. So if this is the original slope, oh, remember, slope means m, right?
Yeah.
The perpendicular slope is going to be what?
Opposite negative 2 over 3.
Alright, is it going to be the same? Is it going to be the same, or is it going to be
It's going to be different.
The same? Raise your hand if you think it's going to be the same. It's going to be the reciprocal?
Yeah, opposite though.
Alright, so why is it not the same? What slope is the same? If the slope is the same, what? Parallel lines. Lines that won't run into each other, right? Because they're moving at the same rate. Right? Okay, good. I got an analogy for you in a second. Alright, so the opposite reciprocal is going to be 2 over 3, but negative 2 over 3, right? Okay, so we got our slope, we got our point. We'll start at this point and we'll move like this. Alright, so let's graph the original drawing. Okay? We got 3, 0. 1, 2, 3. 3, 0. And we got 7, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So 7, 6 is somewhere here. Right? So this would be line H. I had it straight there somewhere, but we'll just sketch it. Alright? So this is H. Okay? Our perpendicular line is going to be starting at 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 2, 5. Bam. Right? This is 2, 5. And he moves 2, negative 2, 3. Alright? How do you guys learn how to apply the negative slope? Do y'all go down and to the right? Or do y'all go up and to the left?
Down. It depends.
It's the same movement, but which one do you guys prefer? Down? Okay, let's go down. Alright, down. Slope. Rise. We're going to rise down, right? We're going to rise down, and we're going to run to the right. So, down. 1, 2, and then we're going to go over 1, 2, 3. Down. So, there you go. So you graph the line. All you need is 2 points to plot a line. You just need 2 points, like your auxiliary line situation. And so there we have it. So we found our slope of the original line, and then we found the slope of the perpendicular line. It's opposite reciprocal because they are perpendicular, they're running into each other. And then we start at this point, 2, 5, and then we move this way. Down 2, over 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? MrDoTheMath out. Remember to like and subscribe.